Hey everybody, I'm your boy Lumenaddy. Today's January the 29th, and let's get right into it. So if we go to the daily chart, we see that the bounce of price from the 5,000 level that we talked about in the last video happened as the 28th, January the 28th candle closed after bouncing off the key 5,000 level that we had talked about, as there was a confluence of retracement levels at that price. Today's candle that continues to form and will close tomorrow, again, is drawn to that level. Now, blew a little bit past that level, but again, retraced back to that level. And we had discussed how this level will be a magnet to the price. And this is why we can expect to be showing a lot of depth at that price level if we look at exchanges on Poloniex or Binance. Um, as we were expecting price to drop to this level, we could presumably have seen a lot of buy orders placed at this level for that to be the case. Now, along with this price moving down, the volume has continued to be very low. What does this tell me? It tells me that as price is moving down, investors are just waiting for the price to hit the key level. Now, is the key level the 5,000? I think so. I think so. What's approaching it or what's close to it? I mean, the only other possible level I could see is this level over here at 4809. We're also having two candles creating a little bit of a previous resistance level, so it would be considered new support. Now, if price does dip here, is some uncertainty that price is going to continue to dip down? I don't think so. I think if it happens to come here and touch here, it will still be attracted back to this a confluence of retracement levels, just like how price came down here. If it goes past it, it will return to this level. That's how I see the graph. Time will tell, and also volume will tell if that is going to be the case. Because if we do dip a little bit lower, and like we've been saying before, volume will give us a clue as to when the whole market believes the price has reached the appropriate value for it to rebound back into continuing the bull run. So that's what I would look at for today into tomorrow. Again, what's our overall position for today? I think it's another hold position. Hold, because if you were in a trade earlier at these levels, should you close your trade? No, I think you should just leave it, knowing the price will rebound. So relax, stay calm. If you haven't gone in a trade, should you get in a trade now or should you wait for a better level? That really depends on how conservative or aggressive you want to be. If you want to be conservative, you can wait to see if it tests this level. Not sure if it will, but you can wait to see that. If you want to be aggressive, you can go here at the current level that it is. I think it's a pretty strong level. Really, any buy is a good buy, but this might give you just more gains in the short term if you're looking to just get in and out quickly. We had also discussed about the length of length of time it's going to take for this handle formation to complete. We had said from yesterday maybe another 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So yesterday completed. So this would technically be day 2, right? Or day 4 at the initiation of this handle formation. Previously, price from the at the moon price to its lowest low, it took about 7 days to consolidate down. So maybe we can expect one more day of a bearish candle. If this price, again, like I said, dips down here, I do expect a long wick, longer than the previous wick, for price action to retrace back up above this middle line of the Bollinger Band. As you can see, the Bollinger Band is contracting down. Generally, before an outburst, the band will contract to something similar to, let me see if I can show you maybe here. Like this area, you see how the Bollinger Bands were wide, they contracted, and then you have an upward movement in price. Similarly, the bands here opened up, then we should expect a contraction, and then an upward movement in price. Now, where can we or when can we expect that to happen? What is one of the major indicators? So I think you have to group all your indicators to then come up with a signal, right? So I'm using resistance levels, support levels, which I gain from drawing my retracement levels, right? Along with obviously a formation like I see a cup and handle formation, along with the stochastic RSI. Now the stochastic RSI currently on the daily is not below the 20 level. I prefer to get to the 20 to give me an oversold position. If I want to be extremely conservative, below the 10 to get me into the oversold position, so I can confidently put in my buy to continue. So it isn't there yet. However, with a bull run, there's nothing saying that it doesn't completely come down there. Like for example, over here, well, we did get under 20, so that would be confirmation. It went to 16 over here. So 20 would be the level that we're looking to 20. Yeah, so we're looking to see if stochastic RSI would get to 20 or below, which would give us more of a confirmation that we can now put in our buy trades and expect great returns on that. So just to recap, what we'll be looking for today into tomorrow is similar to yesterday. Overall picture is a hold position. If you haven't gotten into a position and you're considering to get into one, the group of indicators that you should be looking for is a daily stochastic RSI to drop below the 20 level. You want to see if price will rebound off the 4809 or even rebound off this 5,000. You and that's about and volume. Sorry, and you want to see if volume is picking up. Those are the three factors together that if you have each of them going in the sense that volume picks up, you have the price action respecting the 618 level and the 50% retracement level, then with an RSI 20 or below, then you should put in a buy trade at that point. I think that would be a pretty safe bet. So let's see what the chart shows tomorrow. We're still in that handle formation. We can expect to be in it for another 2 more days, presumably another 2 more days before we start seeing bullish candles taking over. At least that's my assumption. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you for all the views. Thank you for all the messages. I really appreciate the feedback. It's really encouraging to get positive responses. But again, if you disagree and you feel that there's other things on this chart, I am completely open to getting feedback in that aspect as well, because I think it only helps me learn how to read charts better. So hoping y'all all the best with the trading. Let's see y'all tomorrow. Take care. Peace.